Нэвтрүүлгийн ивент төлөгч хөрөнгө оруулалтын шинэ соёлыг түгээн голомт капитал. Нэвтрүүлгийн ивент төлөгч агшин бүрд амжилтыг дагуулan Дархан Garden Luxury Residence. Нэвтрүүлгийн ивент төлөгч хайрын амт Amore Brand.
Do something for you now. A lot of people have been asking for ever since I started doing the Dolly Show. They asked me why I didn't sing the song about Jolie. This is a true story about the woman who worked to the bank. She's trying to take care of my husband while I was on the road. I followed that red-headed woman like a wildcat. Oh, so here we go with the pitiful story of Jolie. Jolie, Jolie, Jolie. Jolie, 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 please don't take him just because you can. Your beauty is beyond compare with the flaming locks of almond hair, with iris skin and eyes of emerald green. Your smile is like the breath of spring, your voice is soft like summer rain, but I cannot complete with you, Jolie. He talks about you in his sleep. There's nothing I can do to keep from crying when he calls your name, Jolie. Oh, but I can easily understand how you can easily take my man, but you don't know what it means to me, Jolie. Jolie, Jolie, Jolie. Jolie, 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 please don't take him just because you can. You could have your choice of men, but I can never love again, 'cause he's the only one for me, Jolie. I had to have this talk with you, my happiness depends on you, whatever you decide you do, Jolie. Jolie, 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 oh, I'm begging of you, please don't take my man. Jolie, 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 please don't take him just because you can, Jolie.